Hello everyone, it's Recharger here, and today we have a 143 scale model. This one is from the Opel collection. I got this from somebody else's collection, I believe, because it came like this, with no extra packaging. You can see it's been has a wear on the box, but it has not been opened. It has like stickers on the sides. So yeah. This is the Opel Olympia Rekord Cabrio-Limousine. So this is going to be a very unique model in my collection because I don't have a convertible 143 which has this type of convertible option. Yeah, I don't know who the maker is. Is it just Opel Collection? So could be, I don't know. It's like the car was made from 1954 to 1956, so pretty a lot. There is a hardtop version of this one. I was not able to get it. Somebody else got it right before me, and I just realized that I won't be getting it off the base because look at that screw. It's a triangle. What? I only now noticed that. Okay. I might have to pause the video and figure out how I'm going to be getting this guy off. Maybe that's why nobody unpacked it, because nobody has that type of a instrument to open it. But I can get it out at least like so. There's the cord for the back. Doesn't look bad. But what will I do with the option of getting it off the base though? Okay, I'll pause the video and I'll see what I can do. So I'm back. I got the weirdest thing to open this. I used a pair of scissors. So I just jammed in one on one of the side and just opened it. Maybe you can open this like with a flat screwdriver, which I maybe have somewhere, but I didn't want to look for it, so I tried the scissors first. But I got the car off the base, so that is the main thing. Without breaking it, of course. So there we go. There's our Opel. Resembles very much of an American vehicle of some sorts. Could be maybe like a Chevy or something. I don't know who made this type of a car. But I know that Opel parts are being made in USA. Then they get shipped and then they get put together in Germany. So details for the taillights are not the worst. There's the Opel badging, and this part is a bit loose for some reason, but I don't want to touch it anymore. It is plastic. Interiors, of course, is plastic. There's some more details for the interior. We also have the, since that doesn't have the gearbox in the middle, has the gearbox behind the wheel, but we have some dashboard details, also mirror. Not bad looking actually car. So the base is plastic, of course. The tires are rubber. The body is metal. Lensed headlights. There you go. Even the turn signals are lensed. So that is very cool. Hubcaps. We have a silver lining on the side. It says Rekord right there on the side. Yeah, I think this is actually not bad. It was cheap also, so pretty cheap. So I have no issues with that at all. Does it roll? Yes, it does. So there you have it. The Opel Rekord. So yeah, this I actually didn't check. Is this okay? The top part is plastic, so all of this on the top is plastic, so it's not with the body. I was wondering if that's like a separate piece or not, but it is. It is all the whole top with the windshields. I mean, the windows is separate. So there you have it. Yeah, nothing much more I can say about this. That's for its price, which I don't remember anymore. I think it was like 15 euros, maybe less, somewhere around that number. Maybe it was like 12 or something. I don't know. Anyway, it was within the €20 price range, which is okay for me, at least, especially 143 scale. Yeah, that would be that. Enough with my doing the sound. I'm just trying to figure out what I want to say more, but there's nothing more to say. Besides, that's a pretty nice model for its price. So yeah, hope you liked the video. Leave a like if you did, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one. Ciao.